Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly forgotten why you went there? Have you searched for your glasses only to discover they were already on your face? Have you forgotten someone's name, even though you've known them for years? If this has happened to you, pay close attention, because this is not always just getting older. Sometimes, your brain is quietly asking for help. Every single night, while you're sleeping, your brain is incredibly busy. It repairs damaged cells. It clears away harmful waste. It strengthens memories. It restores connections between your nerves. It prepares your mind for tomorrow. But here's the shocking part. Millions of people unknowingly stop this natural repair process simply because of what they eat or don't eat before going to bed. This could be one of the biggest mistakes people over 60 make every single day. And the scary thing? They don't even realize it. The foods you choose in the evening can either protect your brain or slowly destroy its ability to remember. They can improve blood circulation, deliver more oxygen to your brain, reduce dangerous inflammation, balance sugar and insulin, and activate your body's natural repair system while you sleep. Or they can do the exact opposite. This isn't about expensive supplements. It isn't about miracle pills. It's about simple natural foods supported by modern science. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 bedtime foods that may help support memory, brain health, and mental sharpness after 60. Stay until the end because the final food surprises almost everyone, yet it may be one of the most powerful bedtime choices for keeping your brain healthier as you age. Let's begin. Why your brain needs help at night. Before we reveal the foods, let's understand something very important. Your brain never truly sleeps. Even while your eyes are closed, billions of brain cells continue working. They organize memories, repair tiny areas of damage, strengthen communication between nerves, remove harmful waste proteins, restore energy for the next day. Think of your brain like a busy city. During the day, cars, people, noise, traffic, everywhere. At night, the streets become quieter. Cleaning crews arrive. Roads are repaired. Garbage is removed. Everything is prepared for tomorrow. Your brain works the same way, but here's the problem. If your body lacks the right nutrients, that overnight repair becomes less effective. Poor circulation means less oxygen reaches brain cells. High blood sugar creates more inflammation. Damaged arteries reduce healthy blood flow. The result? Slower thinking, poor concentration, more forgetfulness, lower energy, less mental clarity. This is why your evening meal matters more than most people realize. Now, let's look at food number 5. Food #5, walnuts. Walnuts may look like tiny brains. Interestingly, they also contain nutrients that help support brain function. Walnuts are rich in healthy omega-3 fats. These fats help maintain healthy brain cell membranes. They also contain antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. As we age, oxidative stress can slowly damage brain tissue. Walnuts may help reduce that damage. They also support healthy blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain. Try eating a small handful, about 1 ounce, an hour before bedtime. Don't overeat. Moderation is the key. Food #4, blueberries. Many people think blueberries are just another fruit, but science tells a different story. Blueberries contain natural plant compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants may help protect brain cells from aging. They may also help reduce harmful inflammation. Inflammation quietly affects the brain for years before symptoms appear. Reducing it may help support memory and thinking. Blueberries also help fight oxidative damage caused by everyday aging. Fresh or frozen, both work well. Enjoy a small bowl in the evening, or combine them with plain yogurt. Your brain may thank you. Food #3, Pumpkin seeds. This tiny food hides enormous nutritional power. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, zinc, iron, healthy fats, and one mineral many people don't get enough of, zinc. Your brain depends on these nutrients for healthy nerve communication. Magnesium also supports relaxation. Many people sleep better when they get enough magnesium. Better sleep often means better memory, because deep sleep is when much of your brain's repair happens. Pumpkin seeds also provide antioxidants that help protect delicate brain cells. A small handful before bed can be an excellent evening snack. Food #2. Plain Greek yogurt. Here's something surprising. Your gut and your brain constantly communicate. Scientists call this the gut-brain connection. Healthy bacteria inside your digestive system produce substances that influence mood and end brain function. Plain Greek yogurt provides beneficial probiotics. It also supplies protein. Protein helps stabilize overnight blood sugar. Why is this important? Because large sugar spikes may increase inflammation and interrupt restful sleep. Stable blood sugar means your body can focus more on repair. Choose plain yogurt without added sugar. If you like, add a few blueberries or crushed walnuts. Now you have a powerful bedtime combination. Food #1. Kiwi. This fruit surprises many people. Yet research suggests kiwi may support better sleep quality. Why does better sleep matter? Because your brain performs much of its repair during deep sleep. Kiwi contains vitamin C, vitamin E, antioxidants, fiber, and natural compounds linked with improved sleep in some studies. Better sleep allows your brain to organize memories more effectively. It helps restore mental energy, supports healthy brain cells, and helps you wake up feeling sharper. 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bedtime may be a simple, healthy habit. Sometimes, the smallest changes produce the biggest long-term results. Bedtime habits that can save your brain. Now, let's talk about habits. Because even the healthiest foods cannot overcome unhealthy routines. Habit number 1. Avoid heavy meals right before sleep. Your body should be repairing, not struggling to digest excessive food. Habit number 2. Reduce sugary desserts at night. Too much sugar may interfere with stable insulin levels and restful sleep. Habit number 3. Drink enough water during the day. Healthy circulation depends on proper hydration. Your blood transports oxygen and nutrients to every brain cell. Habit number 4. Keep moving every day. Walking improves circulation. Healthy arteries deliver more oxygen to your brain. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily can make a difference. Habit number 5. Protect your sleep. Aim for consistent bedtimes. Turn off bright screens before bed. Give your brain time to recharge. Remember, food works best when combined with healthy, everyday habits. Let's be clear. No single food is a miracle. No food can instantly restore memory overnight. Anyone promising that is misleading you. These foods support brain health. They work gradually, especially when combined with regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and medical care when needed. If you notice sudden memory loss, confusion, difficulty speaking, or rapid changes in thinking, please contact a doctor immediately. Some brain conditions require prompt medical evaluation. Never ignore warning signs. Your brain has carried you through your entire life. It remembers your family, your victories, your struggles, your happiest moments. It deserves your care. The good news? It's never too late to build healthier habits. Every healthy meal, every good night's sleep, every walk, every smart choice is another investment in your future. Small actions, repeated every day, can create remarkable changes over time. Tonight, instead of reaching for cookies, sugary snacks, or processed foods, choose something that helps your body repair. Choose foods that support healthy brain function. Protect your arteries. Improve circulation. Balance sugar. Reduce inflammation. Restore energy. Support healthy cells. and give your brain the nutrients it needs to work at its best. Because growing older is inevitable, but taking care of your brain is a choice. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Subscribe for more science-based health tips designed especially for adults over 60. Share this video with someone you love. It might encourage them to build healthier bedtime habits. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.